Good afternoon, guys, from a very rainy Amman. Actually, it's currently raining right now, but either way, we are going to get a haircut right now. I'm with the man.
Sabaho Sayede Kifak Kifak.
Such a show. So we're heading there now. We're going to go for an absolute fresh cut, which is what we like to say in England, and it's about a 10-minute journey. What I will say is, if you're coming to Amman in winter, it's not as warm as you think. It's probably about 15 degrees right now. It's raining, I don't know if you can tell, but the rain doesn't stop a man from getting a haircut, I'll tell you that. So we're walking there now, about 10 minutes, and I will check in with you when we get there. Salam alaikum. Kifak.
Kifak. Best haircuts.
Haircuts?
Yes.
Amazing haircuts?
Yes.
Awesome.
Samman.
Samman. Oh, this is your shop. Oh, amazing. Okay.
How are you, sir?
Never been better.
What's your name, sir?
Shukran. Mac and Harry.
Harry.
You are welcome.
And who's going first?
Ladies first, brother.
Alright, I'm going first. Alright.
Oh yeah, okay, I'll have a tea. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, please. Thank you. Amazing service already. They're taking our jackets, we're getting teas, we're getting coffees, and they've got some music playing. It's all around a nice little vibe in here. For a minute I thought they were closed because Friday is actually the holy day in Jordan, so I saw the shop and I was like, oh, they're closed, but they're not, they're open. Oh, shukran. Thank you. Amazing. Standard Arabic tea. Not an English tea. Yeah. Oh, that's very sweet. Very sweet, but very nice. Oh, you get me confused for a Jordanian. Oh, look at that trim.
That's what we call a fresh cut.
That is looking fresh, my bro.
Yeah.
That is looking G-O-O-D,
Yeah,
my friend.
G-O-O-D, exactly, bro. You get cleaned up.
The best haircut in all of Jordan.
Yes, of course.
Yes?
Inshallah, yes.
Inshallah.
Yes, of course. Man, that Arabic's getting good.
Mate, I didn't realize how long my hair is.
That's why I was surprised when you said that you haven't had a haircut in...
I'm sure you remember this cut here.
For sure.
Yes.
First one in the Middle East, I think. Top, maybe like that.
Nice. Oh, yes.
That's the picture I'm showing you guys. But I just knocked much off the top. I to keep that.
The top keep?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe just
trim.
yeah.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect. So how long have you been a barber?
30 years.
30 years.
30.
30.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
So you were very experienced.
Yes.
I've chosen the right guy then.
My family is part of all my family.
Amazing.
Yes.
Oh, I'm very glad I found this place then. Yeah, so it's been about probably 3 weeks since I got a haircut in England, and you can tell I really needed one. Usually I like to keep my haircuts like pretty frequent, but I never usually go that short on the sides, but when in Rome. You got a bracelet?
Here is this.
Oh wow.
For pay, you can pay.
Really?
Yes.
And watch? Amazing.
Yes. Yes. The
Really
watch
nice.
not for sale. Just this. Yes.
Oh,
You
okay.
can.
Oh, it's for sale. Can you do the beards as
Yes,
well?
of
Oh, amazing.
course.
I've never actually had a beard done before, beard trim done before, just because my beard doesn't really get that long. But
Hello, sir.
I grew it out just for this. I have to say, I actually cut my own hair once in lockdown, and I made a very bad job of it, so I have a lot of respect for the barbers. It's not easy, and especially when they give you an absolute fresh fade, which hopefully you're going to get today. So have you done the touristy things in Jordan as well?
Yes.
You done Petra? You done Wadi Rum?
What do you want? Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Tourist in your own country. Yeah, it's we went there this week. It's amazing.
Oh yes. You like it, then Wadi Rum?
Wadi Rum was one of the best places I've ever been. Honestly.
Really?
Yeah. Is Amman usually this cold at this time of the year?
Yes.
It's cold for Middle East.
Yes, for Middle East. All the Middle East now cold.
Yeah.
Just we don't have it. Just today we have running.
Yeah. I didn't
The
expect it
first
to
time.
rain. It's like England.
Different weather.
In England, it just rains every day.
Ah, now.
Every day.
Delicious.
So me and Mac have pretty much been working all day. Got up at 6. Been working in the Airbnb. So we just came out to get a break, and yeah, something about having a haircut is just unreal. And then when you walk out the barbers, it's just like you feel on top of the world.
Yeah.
What's going on over here?
Yeah, we're doing a full-on shave and wax session here.
Shave that really big beard of yours.
You know, it's pretty thick these days. About a day and a half, 36 hours to grow.
I'm good, thank you. No, thank you. All good.
Here we go.
Amazing hospitality is what you expect in the Middle East, but it still surprises me that they're so nice. In England, they tell you to sit down and shut up. No, they're not so bad.
Just joking.
I have a regular barber, I like him, but you don't get this hospitality in the UK, that's for sure. Going to Pakistan on Sunday, so nice haircut for Pakistan. Just a trim, yeah. I never usually get much off the top just because, yeah, I don't like to have it too short, but fresh, very fresh, amazing. Zayn.
Zayn.
It's one thing I'm happy about coming here is that I've learned a bit of Arabic thanks to this man here, but also that's one thing I do want to carry on doing is when I go to each country learn a bit of the language, because the locals, it's nice to talk the local language. Okay, well guys, this is already looking so much better than it was before. I have no idea why I didn't get one
That
earlier.
is nice. Oh, that's such a comforting feeling.
That is looking fresh, if I might say so myself. To be honest, I quite like the beard with the short hair, but still think I'm going to go for it because it'll start to look scruffy, especially if I'm in Pakistan, won't be able to shave as much. The attention to detail is very impressive. Oh, amazing.
Good, no?
Zayn.
Thank you.
Oh, look at fresh over there, bro.
He's got the confidence to do it. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, damn. The ladies are gonna be running after you.
They do already, bro.
Yeah, exactly. They're gonna be running faster. Feels great.
Doing the nostrils? Oh, have you had your nostrils waxed before? Oh, mate, good luck. He doesn't know what he's in for. I very rarely have the clean knife on the actual hair, which is interesting. I'm not sure why, but I think it lasts longer. It's a better cut if you have it with the knife.
New skin on there.
Shapes, yeah, shape.
Please, yes, that'd be amazing.
This type.
Okay.
You like this?
Yeah, I like this. Really like this. Yeah.
Like that?
Very nice.
Oh, amazing. So good. Shukran, my friend. Honestly, that fade is clean.
Right.
We need to hire you to come travel with us.
Yes, of course. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Getting the old shave first. I've never done this before.
We're soft on the inside. That's great.
What's your name, my friend?
Ayat, sir.
Ayat?
Ayat.
Ayat.
Yes.
Very nice name. Thank you, sir. Honestly, this music is just making me feel so calm. All my worries have gone away. Wow, that is I've never had my beard trimmed that well before. Obviously, I've only ever done it by myself, and I just use like an electric shaver. So, looking like, I'm looking very young. I look about 10 years old, but at the same time, I'm still very happy with how it's gone. But it's not over yet. Okay, thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Okay, so we got, is it Ahmed? Ahmed, and he's gonna do some waxing and then head massage. Ooh, yes. Amazing. I've never had this before, so it's going to be an interesting experience. So this is what? This is to get the hair off, or for the skin? Good for the skin?
Remove dry skin, sir.
But remove bad skin.
Dry skin.
Ah, okay. Very hot. Oh, it stings a little bit. Wow. Yeah.
That's the skin.
Yeah. It's like a pain, but it's not like a harsh pain. Going right round. Oh. Oh. You're very skilled.
Yes.
Very good. You done this before? Like a lot before?
10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow. These guys are the best in the business. My face is feeling like, kind of like, I don't know how to describe it, like really sticky here. Like stinging a little bit. Yeah, so we're going for the nose. This is going to be interesting. Oh yeah, it's right up there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
that's not too bad.
More. Yes.
Not so much hair.
Not
Oh,
too much hair.
yeah? Not as much as him.
Not the same.
How you getting on over there, Harry?
Oh, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven.
Are you on the wax stage?
No, I've done that.
Ah, yeah. On the nose too?
Yeah, man.
Waxing nose?
My nose feels so clean as well.
Nice.
Actually, so happy I got that.
Very nice. Awesome, man. Awesome.
I was saying to Mac, like we've been editing like for probably 6 or 7 hours straight. I was like, we need to just do something to like get out of the rhythm and then just come back to it with a nice fresh perspective, which is amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Shukran.
You can
That is
Amazing, that was
fantastic.
amazing. The best.
Perfect. Perfected. This is the final product, guys. Let's see.
Okay, so
Nicely cut.
I think this is the final stage, just getting it washed.
All the way around. We're ready for a Friday night now, I'll tell you that. We got Harry over here just living the dream, yeah?
Looking like $1 million, bro.
Like 2 million at this point, bro. Yes, yeah.
So talented, Ahmed. Very skilled. So we're back with Samas.
Yes.
And now we're doing final style.
Yes.
I like it how you did before.
Yes, okay.
Nice. Yeah.
I give you the same.
Okay.
What about now? Who is the best barber for you?
By far, you the best in all the Middle East.
Thank you.
In the world, I have my barber at home. I love her. You're up there. You can have a sign saying best in the Middle East.
Yeah,
you can put that on your.
Thank you, appreciate that.
So what time do you close?
10.
10 p.m.
10 morning, last night. Every
10
day.
till 10. Wow.
Yes, 10
See
to
that
10.
that again. That just shows. And what days are you open?
My day off the Monday. My day off. Yeah, just.
Also every day.
Yes.
You're
yeah,
open.
Everybody here.
Oh,
one
wow.
day off.
Oh.
No closed.
So guys, this just goes to show you the work rate. In England, you take the whole weekend off. Well, I don't actually know this. I might be saying the wrong thing, but they're definitely not open 10 till 10. I'll tell you that. Let me know what you think, guys. Oh, the best. Honestly, the best I've had in a long time. A very long time. Amazing. Oh.
Nice.
Thank you. Shukran.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here he is.
Oh, the big
Mr.
man.
Captain America.
We are here. We're alive.
This is so sharp. You could almost.
Man, you were looking fresh, bro.
You could cut your veg with this. It's so sharp.
Exactly. Looking like the king.
Okay.
Yes.
How much, my friend? 20? There we go. Shukran. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you all. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Shukran. Bye bye.
Good to see you.
See you soon, maybe.
Yes. Coming for round 2 again.
We're
Have to come tomorrow, yeah.
We look kind of red from the waxing.
Yeah, exactly. We're bright red because we just had every piece of hair pulled off our
Good. So basically we paid 20 Jordanian dollars for that, so $25 was, I think that was worth it, but again, it's not cheap, but considering we were there for an hour and I paid haircuts in the UK for 20, so you know, really not that bad at all. And again, like I said, like they were all so kind, all so friendly, and just like, even though you knew they struggled to speak English, they made the effort, and they really went above and beyond. So Samas, thank you if you're watching this, and if you guys are in Jordan, then I would definitely recommend getting it. It's maybe I'll put the location because it's not right in the center, but yeah, like one of the best haircuts I've had in another country, if not ever, just in terms of like the whole experience. But you guys can judge what you actually think of the final product. I like it. So now we're going to head back to the apartment and catch up with some work. We're on a full work session today, no days off. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, I've been doing multiple videos all throughout Jordan in the last 7 days, so if you liked it, then be sure to check out one of those videos. Okay, see you guys.